Good morning mga sir. Ito yung video namin doon sa Sea Cloud Mountain View Resort, located in the Marilog District in Davao City. This was taken during the Holy Week. Very early in the morning andun na kami. Dahil we learned that the Sea of Cloud ay makikita mo mga alas 6 ng umaga. Kaya before 6 o'clock ay nandun na kami sa area, hoping to experience and to witness and to record, to video the Sea of Cloud. Pero pagdating namin doon, wala kami nakitang Sea of Cloud. Hindi pala araw-araw mayroong ma-form na Sea of Cloud. Kailangan pala para mayroong Sea of Cloud kinaumagahan, dapat sa gabi ay uulan ng malakas hanggang madaling araw, uulan ng malakas para pagdating ng alas 6 ng umaga ay mayroong makikitang Sea of Cloud. Ito yung viewing deck. Yan yung viewing deck. Pero wala kami nakitang Sea of Cloud, At that time kasi it was a foggy morning. Dahil sobrang malamig yung area, kaya palaging mayroong fogs. Anyway, kahit wala kaming nakitang Sea of Cloud, maliit lang yan, maliit lang nakita namin. Pero we enjoyed so much the place. Napakaganda ng tanawin. Napakaganda ng place, The place is Japan inspired, para nasa Tokyo ka. By the way guys, kung gusto nyong pumunta doon, hindi problema yung daan dahil fully cemented yung daan from Buda, from the Sairi Highway papunta doon sa site mismo, nga about 14 kilometers from the Sairi Highway ay fully cemented yung daan. Kahit yung maliliit na auto, maliliit na cars, kahit 4x2 kayang-kaya doon. Hindi naman siya pangit ang daan. Napakaganda ng daan, fully cemented. And kahit mag-drive ka doon ng mga alas 4:30, alas 5, maliwanag na siya. Kaya yan, panoorin nyo ang napakagandang tanawin at tiyak na mag-i-enjoy kayo. Hindi naman masyadong mahal yung place. In fact, yung entrance per head is only 149 pesos per head. And mayroon